Hi all, welcome back. In this module we will be talking about a ball switch. Okay, so ball switch is basically a tilt sensor. Okay, and whenever a sensor, right, which is basically depending on the position of the sensor, if the circuit is closed, okay, it will throw a output high. If the circuit is open, it will throw a output of 0, right? So what we will do, we will try to connect this sensor, okay, to my Arduino board, okay, and then try to see a tilt, okay, try to do a tilt so that we could close the circuit and give a output of high. Okay, so seeing the code, what it is doing is, okay, so I'm taking defining this as an input pin. Okay, I'll take this input and what I will do based on this input value, okay, based on this input value, and it again depends upon the tilt and the circuit is closed, okay, it will glow the LED on my Arduino board. If it is not closed, it will not glow the LED, right? So LED is on pin number 13, right? So right now I made a connection and all, and I'll just try to show it to you. Okay, so hopefully it is visible. Okay, right. So this is my Arduino board. Okay, so now if you see, the orange light is off, on, now it is off. Okay, I'll also make a movement. So now I'm making a tilt. Okay, so I'm making a movement, and the moment I make a tilt, and then it will be open and close. Okay, so let me just do that once more. Okay, so I could show you once. Let me see if I could do it one more time. Okay. So it requires a little bit of more of a tilt, and I'm just trying to do that. Okay, and hopefully it should be there. Okay, let me just connect the pin properly. Okay, right, so okay, so there is a sound which is coming, and let me just try to put the Arduino down. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm able to play around with Arduino in my hand, but let me just try to put it down. Okay, now if I make a movement, okay, let me just do one more time. Okay, it is doing some kind of movement, but it just requires a little bit more of a tilt. Okay, so now if you see this, it is gone. Now if you see, the orange light is not on. The moment I tilt, okay, it is again become on. Now I am not able to make it off. Okay, so it just becomes temporary off. Now it has again become a temporary off. So based on if the circuit is closed and open, it will glow on and off the LED. Okay, so this is all about the sensor. Okay, so this is called a ball sensor, basically a tilt sensor. Okay, thanks for joining this session.